This picture shows the hardware that we'll be using in this demo. So here we'll be launching our core Open5G. We'll also be launching our controller or an aesthetic. And here we'll launch the CU of the G0B. As you can see in the figure, we've divided our G0B into two parts. DU1, which manages the connection with two smartphones, and DU2, which handles the virtual user. So here we're launching the DU1. And we've got two smartphones. So the first one, which is on the left, will be the benign user and will be connected to the robot. So here we've connected it with our platform and is assigned his own IP. And the second one will be the attacker. We'll use it as a hotspot for our PC to launch the attack. Its IP address is 0.15. Now it is connected to our platform. We can see the two users on Grafana. Now we'll launch in the DU2 part, which handles the virtual user, which is using ZMQ protocol. So now the three users are connected into Grafana.
So now we will proceed to launch the DDoS attack using a smartphone. However, since the MD tool requires a Unix-based distribution, we will execute the attack from the Ubuntu PC connected to one phone as a hotspot. Here, you can see the command. So we're launching the TTP fluid SYN attack, attacking our core network with some spoofed IP addresses. So now the attack is launched, and by performing a simple speed test on our benign user, which is connected to the robot, we can see that its bandwidth has been heavily affected. And so it is for the robot. You will notice some abnormal deviations. It can no longer maintain its initial trajectory.
In the second part, we will show our solution to mitigate attacks. We have implemented two containerized applications, xApps, running on the real-time rig. The first one is to detect any DDoS attack on the network, and this application will send the suspicious IP to the second xApp, which will reallocate resources by reducing the attacker bandwidth and then avoid any negative effect on benign users. So from the benign smartphone, I'm sending a ping toward the core network. I will launch both applications. I will launch also HTTP request traffic from a virtual user towards the core also. We will see that these traffics are considered as benign, and we have no such suspicious IP detected by the first xApp. We have very low percentage of DDoS, it's almost zero. So this the resource control application will have no action to take because we have no traffic, no attack traffic. Now we will launch the attack from the other smartphone of IP15. The xApp detected the DDoS attack with the smartphone IP as source. We can see the attack traffic on Grafana. So the mitigation xApp will receive the suspicious IP of the smartphone and will decrease its bandwidth resource to 5%. So after mitigation, we can notice the curve is declining on Grafana and the attack is mitigated successfully.